Hello guys, welcome to this video. This is one of the most important class in this course, monetizing Canva skills. I'm going to teach you how to turn your Canva skill into a real income. Now, why monetize Canva skills? Number one, because of high demand. Canva skill are in high demand across the industry. Daily need. Business needs design daily for social media, ads, product. Multiple streams. You earn from freelancing, templates, or building a brand. Low barrier of entry, high profits potential. Freelance with Canva. Number one, you can get freelancing job with online platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer. You can also get local opportunities like you can help small businesses with flyer, banner, social media content. Why is this? How do you do this? You can just create a portfolio, show up samples of what you've done in the past. Start small, begin with lower price, then raise your price as you improve and scale. Selling template packs. Digital product equals to passive income. You can sell, template packs like story templates, post design, highlight covers. You can do that. You can sell the templates. You can also sell ebook templates, professional layout for digital publications. You can actually sell a presentation deck, business deck. People just buy the templates and they plug and play with creative slides inside. And where can you sell? You can sell on a seller, you can sell on main stack, Nigerian platform, or you can go over to the US platforms, American platforms, UK, like Stan Store. You can go over to Gumroad, ST, and you can just explore different other markets. Then you can also build a bundle, have different bundles of Canva bundles to really do well for you. So selling Canva designs, like I said, you can sell ebooks, that is digital products, social media packs, content packs for influencers, or printables, maybe flyer, post, and all that. Now, scaling with Canva Plus team, you can unlock pro features. With your pro feature, you can unlock a lot of more accessibility. Like you can also have enhanced efficiency. Like pro features is just the best. So if you can start small, that is good. But if you really want to make it big, you must go with pro features. You need to use pro features. It will help you create a design system and also help you build team collaboration. Everybody sees what you're doing. Everybody can join the project. And if you have a bigger project, you can also go to um, Canva Pro. Now, monetization tip, I want you to niche down, specialize in one place at a time, whether you're dealing with Instagram, maybe you want to work with coaches or e-commerce, just create designs in that, just build your portfolio in any of the place you want to like niche to, then build offer. Clients pay more when for ready-made packs. So build your portfolio and make sure that you have stuffs down. Market yourself, use your own designs to promote, build recurring clients monthly and all. So quick win, just create three sample, template packs. Start with your best design, upload on maybe Seller, Mainstack, Gumroad, ST, and promote on social media massively. To wrap up the game, Canva is a business opportunity, not just vibes and inshallah. So you can use it for freelance, free business models, freelancing, digital products, and you know, ongoing retainership. Ongoing retainership. So in the last module, we're going to wrap up the theoretical section and probably every other thing I've been saying, it is practical for everything. So make sure you do the practical. This is just to understand the psychology behind Canva for profits. Then the main work is in the practical.